Do you have a sweet tooth, but you don't want to get a whole lot of bad stuff in you? Well, look at this product. So it is a deep, dark chocolate. So definitely gives you that chocolate taste. And it is only 3 ingredients. It's a superfood. So this would be a great, it's packaged really nice. So this would be a great gift idea, maybe for a friend. Easter basket. It does come in a 3-pack and there's 0 added extra sugar. Look at that. It's really good. Dairy free and 70% chocolate.